weight na nadala kay Mama Guy, na nadala kay Papa. Sana last na to. Or mag-retire na kami. But seriously, but thank you so much for all the help with the flowers, the food, the iwata, lahat. It really takes a village to make all of this our celebration for Dad. So thank you to the Gutierrez family. And a little shout out to Echo. Come on, Echo, stand up, Echo. Come on, Baba. Just a quick story, guys. It took us a week to get Papa's room ready. Porque may something, we had to get all the beds. And thank you so much pala to Miss Lovey Rivera and Ala for giving us the hospital bed. Thank you so much. But we were done na, we were ready. Kaso lang, for those that have been to Dad's house, malaking garden yun na may ilaw. And masakit yung, sumasakit yung mata niya. Echo went there. He took 2 hours, almost 3 hours, kinabit niya yung cortina ni Papa na 18 feet. 18 feet yun Tama diba? 18 feet. And nagdala siya ng drill, nagdala siya ng screwdriver, and that was the last thing that we needed to complete our Dad's room. So thank you, Echo. Diba? Sabi nga niya after, what did you say? Parang sabi ko, itip mo na lang yung asawa ko. Sabi niya, yun yung joke niya. Diba? Ibigay mo na lang sa asawa ko yung bayan. Yun yung joke niya. Yeah, but thank you. Love you, Baba. Sorry.